Hey everyone, today in this After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily align anything to the center of your composition in After Effects. So in order to begin with, I'll create a text so that I can show you. First, I'll make it fit up to 100%, and I will write a text and I will show you how you can align to the center. So I will say subscribe, and then I'm going to show you how you can align this to the center. So in order to align this to the center, what we'll have to do first is go onto this window tab, and then you can see this align option. So you have to make sure that it's checked, and then you can see in your screen that there is a align tab showing in the Adobe After Effects. So you can click on it, and then you have these options. Once that's open, what you can do is select the layer which you want to center, and then you can click on this right here. As you can see, the second one, you have to click on the second option, and then the second last option as well. As you can see, now it's in the center. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.